ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ರೆನೋಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 2024 ಮೂಲಕ ರೆನೋ ತನ್ನ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬಲಪಡಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು 2024 ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ರೂಪಾಂತರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಪೋಲಿಯೋವನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ತಾರಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ರೆನೋಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 2024 ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ತಾನು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬದ್ಧನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆಂದು ರೆನೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಾಬೀತುಪಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರದ ಉಪಕ್ರಮದ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಕಾರು ತಯಾರಕರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮುಂದಿನ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನ ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಝೀರೋ ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 7996827256.
New variants that have been introduced in Kiger as well. So we've got the RXL Energy both in manual and EasyR. We've got the RXT option turbo. We had done in the festive season 2023 Urban Night limited edition, and we got through this new range. What have we done at Renault? Because we've done a lot of exercise. We are preparing very strongly. So this 2024 year is the year of preparation for us, and spacious and very attractive, and that has been the unique selling proposition for this car. Now what has been added as new features, and this again has come out of a lot of research. These are the features that we have added. We've made the car more attractive because that's one of the USPs. So a 7-inch TFT instrument cluster has been introduced, which is a best-in-class feature for driver, along with a wireless charger. So even driver gets a wireless charger, which is a very handy feature and something which is a growing consumer trend that we see. We further have added to the comfort with a driver seat armrest, which again becomes a best-in-class feature in this segment, along with a power fold ORVM. So the ORVMs can now be power folded, and hence 2024 range for driver gets more techier, more comfortable, and it has had more new sporty red caliper onto the turbo range, so that adds that power perception into the, as you see the car, it looks even more powerful. It adds that extra red sporty caliper into the turbo range, and then the cruise control, apart from it having that 4-star global NCAP, and there are still 15 plus when you approach the car with the key. In fact, when you approach the car with the key, the like this. The new range starts with 5.99 lakhs. Important to understand that here again, with RXT at automatic, which is our EasyR AMTs, we are India's most affordable 7-seater, even in automatic. So that's the lineup for us with all the new added features, making it, enhancing the comfort, enhancing the attractiveness. City of Bangalore to introduce our new range of 2024 cars, the new Renault Kwid, the new Renault Driver, and the new Renault Kiger. And with these new cars, what we've done is we're adding new features into the cars. These new features have been added basis the analysis, consumer research that our teams have done, and they are working, they are strengthening the USPs of the car further. We have also added new variants, and we have also added more customer value into these products. As a result, the cars come equipped with a lot more features. They become more techy, more premium, and at the same time they are full of safety features. So that's the main theme of today's introduction of the 2024 range of Renault cars.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.